I think also it's very important to get people to think about things. It's not on your responsibility to make them do something, but it's important to try to make them think if they could do something.
Well, being part of the world is actually responsible for so many of these issues. Overproduction and overuse of things and taking waste to other countries, ship out things far away and not see them. If I cannot see it, it doesn't exist. Yeah. It is normal that we speak about it because we create so many problems and we have to deal with them.
Have you ever come across an environment that really makes a strong impression on you? Either way, positive, negative? I'm thinking when I was in the desert, that was something that where I was feeling that I'm cut off of everything and I don't care because I'm totally self-sufficient. It's just the world in itself and I couldn't mentally get out of there. I couldn't get myself thinking that there are cities somewhere or people somewhere.
It's normal for Africans to have trees in their homes. So during the night, you sit under the tree, watching the moon, saying stories, playing games, without too much light, like artificial light, just the natural moon. And it's very beautiful.
I feel like we have this idea about the cities, when cities that they somehow have to be not nature.
Opposite.
Nature, yeah.
Exactly.
Because nature has always been attached in actually with our people's legacy. It's attached to the stories or to the heritage. There's always a cultural side that mediate between the natural and human relationship.